An SEO audit is the process of evaluating the healthiness of a website in a number of areas. I would check the website against a critical checklist and come up with recommendations of what needs to be fixed and what needs to change so that the performance of the website and search engines is improved. What you can expect from this gig on Fiverr is 1. A description of the current state of your website and a detailed analysis on how your website is performing in search, social media, and a number of internal and external links and any other information relating to your website's existing state. 2. A list of actions based on my SEO audit together with explanations for each and every item in the list. 3. A professional detailed report describing a complete SEO on-site strategy to help you rank organically in search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. All businesses and website owners should perform website audits annually because the health of your site is the face of your business worldwide.